Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Hi, what's your favorite book?
Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
Great choice. What do you like about it?
The magic and adventures.
Who's your favorite character?
Hermione, she's smart.
Hermione is awesome. Have you read other Harry Potter books?
Yes, the first 3.
Any other favorite books?
The Cat in the Hat.
Dr. Seuss is fun. What's your favorite part?
When everything falls over.
That part is funny. Do you like to read a lot?
Yes, I read every day.
Do you have a favorite reading spot?
My bed.
Cozy. Do you read alone or with someone?
Alone mostly, but sometimes with my mom.
Nice. Do you like any other authors?
Roald Dahl.
Which Roald Dahl book?
Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
That's a classic. Do you have a favorite character from it?
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka is cool. Do you watch the movie too?
Yes, I love it.
Books or movies, which do you prefer?
Books, more details.
Reading is great. Do you visit the library?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you have a library card?
Yes, I got it last year.
Do you borrow many books at once?
Usually 5 or 6.
What kinds of books do you pick?
Fantasy and adventure.
Any favorite series?
Percy Jackson.
Why do you like it?
The Greek mythology is cool.
Do you like learning about myths?
Yes, they're interesting.
Do you share books with friends?
Sometimes.
Do you talk about books with them?
Yes, we have a book club.
That's awesome. What's your club reading now?
The Chronicles of Narnia.
Do you have a favorite book in the series?
The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Why that one?
I love Aslan.
Aslan is amazing. Do you like other animals in books?
Yes, especially dragons.
Any dragon books you like?
Eragon.
That's a good one. Do you have a favorite dragon?
Saphira.
Saphira is cool. Do you draw dragons?
Yes, I like drawing them.
Do you read any comics or graphic novels?
Yes, Dogman.
Dogman is funny. Do you like the illustrations?
Yes, they're great.
Do you have a favorite Dogman book?
Dogman, Lord of the Fleas.
What other comics do you like?
Calvin and Hobbes.
Calvin and Hobbes are hilarious. Do you read them often?
Yes, all the time.
Do you read any nonfiction?
Sometimes about space.
Space is fascinating. Any favorite space book?
Thanks for watching. Enjoy it, like, comment, and share.